here a little late. Sorry. It's a red, I bet. Oh.
Crash fish.
All right, walk over. There you go. It's under that one. Under. There you go. Reel, reel, reel. Dun 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 dun. Come on, reel. Reel.
Rocks.
Boo.
Keep reeling it fast.
There you go. Fast as you can.
Let me know when somebody needs to take over. Well, it's real.
We're righties, and that's how we reel. What do we get?
What is this thing?
Ah. Jackson, mommy caught a fish. Don't knock over my drink. Good job, honey.
It's a catfish.
It's a gaff top.
It's a catfish?
How do you like catching? Do you like catching the gaff top? Don't say no. Please don't say yes.
It's cute.
Not when it hurts you.
Good job. High five. I had to drop the baby to give you a high five. Jackson, mommy got a catfish. Yay!
Told you. Oh, never mind. Is he on? Is he on?
No, he dragged it over the rocks.
Oh my god, bro. Big gaff top.
Right? Well, it was on shrimp. Oh, we're good.
Come this way.
Thank you. Ah.
You're over top of his.
Mine, my other one. Oh, here, just. It's screaming like a catfish. It's waving like a catfish. Oh, kitty kitty.
The rods so weird.
Bruh.
Is it just me or does it make you
He it's like the opposite
Yeah,
hand.
like he like hugs it under his arm. Why do you do that?
He has it under the he has it under the wrong
That's what
shoulder.
Your arm is for. Look. Put
And now
your
you-
forearm. You don't get any leverage. And you break rod. That was not
Bruh. Bruh.
supposed to go straight down.
Guess whose rod this is? Mine. You owe me a spray painted Penn Squadron. The other way. There you go. No wonder. So tighten the drag. Man, he is pissed. Don't grab it there. That's
It's all in one motion. Real all the
Woo! All right, Junior, hold up your fish.
Technically, he didn't catch it. He actually got it. No, the hook just my thumb.
Here, Junior, hold it up. So everybody, sideways so people can see it. There you go. Good job.
Fishing shenanigans. We got ourselves in Arizona. They have shotgun it.
You don't know how to.
Take a look. Take a look.
Yeah.
Man, look at the suction. It's a pro.
Don't be lazy, get take it off the thing.
Holy cow.
Fuck your Come on, Junior, you can do it!
Woo! All right, now rod tip all the way down, reel as much as you can. All right, and then let me get out of the way. All right, heave. Look at those little arms.
Taking a thing.
The little girly boy.
Taking drag.
So tighten the drag.
His way.
That's what she said. All right, I'm gonna go over here so I can watch another epic fail. Woo! Dun, dun, dun,
You said
dun.
what? That was an epic
Right
fail?
into the rod. Yeah. You got a bird? You caught a bird. It's called being a good Samaritan.
Oh, he's nice. Grab his head. He's gonna bite me. Oh, whoa.
Ooh, he can reach around far, huh?
Just keep him down there. Don't let him come back.
You actually caught him? He ran into the
That was unexpected. Stop it, Junior. I hope she pecks you.
No, Dad, stop.
Watch, it won't hurt.
It's only around a couple feathers.
You know, you do it. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Put it right there.
Put the camera on the bird's
He's about to bite my hand. Here. Alright, here we go. Say bye. Bye, buddy.
Hi, buddy.
Dumbass bird.
What a good man you are.
I wonder if there's a fish on here though.
Is there still a fish on?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. How about that? Woo, light tackle fight. We almost had
Keep the light top.
shark bait.
Hey, yeah, there's a light tackle king.
Don't screw it up. Watch pop.
Stripped of your title.
Yeah, catfish.
Boo, catfish. Watch
There
out
you
for the
go.
whiting.
It's already.
Oh, you could have still thrown it
No
out.
bueno. I just threw it.
What a goober.